Welcome to Pavco, where innovation meets precision in plating and finishing solutions. Today, we're diving into the world of passivates. What are they, and why are they crucial in various industries? Passivates are chromium-based conversion coatings used to enhance the corrosion resistance of metals. They form a protective layer, preventing corrosion of the layer underneath. Let's see how passivates are making a difference across different sectors. In the aerospace industry, passivates are essential for components used in aircraft engines and structures, ensuring they withstand harsh environments and maintain their integrity over time. Similarly, in the automotive sector, passivates play a vital role in protecting critical parts like the engine components and chassis from corrosion, extending the lifespan of vehicles and ensuring safety on the road. In industrial settings, passivates are used in a wide range of applications, from machinery and equipment to architectural structures, providing long-lasting protection against corrosion in demanding environments. No matter the industry, trust Pavco for premium plating and finishing solutions that meet the highest standards of quality and performance. Contact us today and discover the difference our passivates can make for your process.
Pavco, it's how you finish.